All right, that's it. Dishonor. Dishonor on your whole family. Make a note of this. Dishonor on you. Dishonor on your cow.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Elise's Eats, and today we are going to be making the smiley face Congee from Mulan because the new live action Mulan is coming out, and I thought it'd be really cute to make a really simple version of Congee or a kind of savory porridge. It's really quick, really simple, and I'm really excited to make it, so we'll do it. Also, Mulan is just life. So these are the ingredients you'll need. Woo. 3 cups of chicken stock or chicken broth, half a cup of rice. I'm using short grain rice here, but you can use medium or long. Half a clove of garlic and about a 3 centimeter piece of ginger just chopped into chunks. We're gonna remove those later. 1 spring onion quartered and chopped finely. And then for the face, we've got 2 eggs, some streaky bacon. I think they'd probably use pork belly in the actual movie, but I've just got bacon. And then some oil for frying those in. Let's get started. So what we're gonna do, very, very simple recipe. In a small saucepan, we're going to put our rice, chicken stock, ginger and garlic, and onion, and then we're gonna bring it to a boil on a medium-high heat. As soon as it boils, we're gonna bring it down on a low heat and let it simmer for about half an hour to 50 minutes, just until it reaches the mushy consistency of congee. If you've never had it, it's a bit of an interesting thing. I really love it because it's like savory, delicious, ricey, porridgey goodness. I'll show you what you're looking for.
That worked out well, didn't it?
Okay guys, so that's how you make my version of Mulan's Congee. It's so freaking cute, I can't even. I just want to eat it, so I just say let's eat. Oh my gosh.
I'm very excited for this, it looks adorable.
I know, it's just like, may it give you all the strength to defeat the Huns.
This will make a man out of you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
I'm not having any of the bacon.
That's fine, I'll eat the bacon. I'll eat the bacon.
Oh, yum.
I just love it. It's such subtle flavors, but because it cooks for so long, it just mingles beautifully in it.
Yeah. I've only ever had congee, I think, once or twice, but it was at a hotel and it's like you season it yourself, but I didn't realize what it was. I thought it was porridge.
Yeah.
I was quite young at this time. And so I just put like a whole bunch of sugar on it and it was like, it was like rice pudding and I was happy with that.
I mean, if it works, it works.
But I think I've had it savory maybe once, but it's delicious.
It's pretty much a savory rice pudding when you really think about it.
Love that.
Make it, watch the new Mulan movie. I'm just really excited. I love congee and this is amazing.
Yes.
Just get it. Oh, it's so good.
Get it in ya.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video.
Like and subscribe if you want to see more.
And leave a comment in the section below so that we can make something you've always wanted to eat. Because I love it.
Bye.
Preferably anime or something TV related or something like that or something awesome game related.